Welcome to the Aquatic Ecosystem Health program at the Noordwes-Universiteit School of Biological Sciences. As with most other programs within the school, this program spans across the disciplines of microbiology, botany, and zoology. Some of the major research themes include research related to algae with a focus on water quality and purification, diatoms and desmids, their taxonomy and application in biomonitoring, aquatic microbiology, persistent organic pollutants and other toxicants, and lastly, aquatic ecology and ecotoxicology. When enrolling for aquatic ecosystem health, there are 3 compulsory modules you are required to take. The first one being OMWW611, and this comprises the physical, chemical and biological properties of inland water. There's also OMSW611, and this comprises aquatic ecosystems, pollution and ecotoxicology. And lastly, there's OMSE674. This module is a research project that all honours students will have to undertake as part of the training, but the topic of this project can come from within any other program as well. Besides the compulsory module, there are also a series of elective modules of which the students will be required to select 4. The modules include topics such as Introduction to Environmental Management, OMB0611, and in this module, a holistic perspective to issues regarding environmental management and sustainability, including governance by physical, social, and economic dimensions, will be discussed. There's also zoonosis, OMWW617, and in this module, various themes related to diseases caused by animal parasites will be discussed, including aspects related to diagnostic and epidemiological approaches. Next, there is estuarine and near-shore marine ecology, OMWW616, and the focus on this module is near-shore marine ecology as well as estuarine ecology and any approaches related to it. There's also an obligatory field trip related to this module, which will take place at the Tsitsikama coast on the Indian Ocean shore. There's also a module related to hydrology and integrated water resource management, OMB625. Then there's also a module related to advanced wastewater treatment, OMWF621, and this module will give the student an overview regarding topics or technologies available to water treatment and the regulations that pertain to it. There's also phycology, OMSW622, and this module deals with various groups of algae and the application for water quality and purification. There is also the module OMWF621, which relates to advanced wastewater treatment, and this module will give the student an overview regarding the need for wastewater treatment, the relevant and applicable water quality standards, and finally the processes available for wastewater treatment. Then there's also a module related to phycology, OMSW622, and this module deals with the various groups of algae and the application in water quality and purification. Then there's genome analysis and bioinformatics, OMSB629, and here the student will be introduced to concepts and methods for genome analysis as well as bioinformatics and the applications within various fields of research. There's also the modules OMBE625 as well as OMSW624, and these 2 modules relate to hydrology. In other words, the study of water, its distribution, movement and quality. And this module will familiarize the student with concepts and methods related or applicable to this field. There's also advanced ecotoxicology, OMSE625, and this module will aim to expand the student's understanding of issues related to pollutants of the environment and their detrimental effect on biota, and as well as approaches and methods available to study these compounds. There's also the module OMSE626, which comprises microbial ecology, and here the student will be introduced to themes related to the ecology of microorganisms, methods available to study this aspect, and how this knowledge can be integrated with other aspects related to environmental sciences. There's also an international exchange program with the Arkansas State University in the USA. Students may be selected for the program, and if selected, will take modules such as animal ecology, OMSW626, and limnology, OMSW625 in the US. It's important to remember for these 2 modules that the students will be selected. It is something that you cannot specify as part of your curriculum control. And lastly, bear in mind that when you select your elective module, you need to coordinate with your study leader to best suit your project and your future career moves.